Hello guys, in this video we will discuss about NumPy arrays indexing and slicing. Coming to indexing, indexing is nothing but accessing an array element. We access an array element by its index number. Generally, index starts with 0. See the example here. This is a one-dimensional array and 7 is the first element, so it has index 0 and then 2 has index 1 and then 2 and then 3. If you want to get 9, then you need to write array of 2 because 9 is located at index 2, and here simply I am assuming the array name as ARR. See this example. This is a two-dimensional array. Here we have rows and columns. So the first row's index number is 0, and for the second row, the index number is 1, and for the first column, the index number is 0, and for the second column, the index number is 1, and for the third column, the index number is 2. If you want to access this element 3.0, then you need to write array of, first you need to specify the rows index number, that is 0, and then columns index number, that is 1. This will give you 3.0. In the same way, if you want to get this element 0.3, then you need to write array of first rows index number, that is 1, and then column index number, that is 2. In the same way, we can access three-dimensional arrays. Let us see some examples in Jupyter. First, we need to import NumPy. Import NumPy as NP. Now I'll create an array. First, let us see one-dimensional arrays. Array of 1, 3, 7, 5, 23. This is a one-dimensional array. Now I want to print the first element. Then I need to write array of 0 because the first element's index number is 0. Let us run the code. We got the output 1 because 1 is located at index 0. What if I want to print 5? Let us find out the index number of 5. 1 has index 0, 3 has index 1, 7 has index 2, so 5 has index 3. Array of 3. We got 5 because 5 is located at index 3. What if I write array of 10? Here we have only 5 elements, so the last element's index is 4. Here 10 is out of bound. Let us see what will be the output. We got an error. Index error. Index 10 is out of bound. If you want to access any element that is out of range, it will show you error. Now let us create a two-dimensional array. np dot array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a two-dimensional array. Now I want to print this element 5. I already told you first we need to specify row index number and then the column index number. This is first row, so the index number will be 0, that is array of 0, comma. Now we need to specify column index number. 1 has column index number 0, and here 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. So 5 has column index number 4. Let us print the output. We got 5. In the same way, if you want to print this 8, this is in the second row. That is, the index number will be 1, and then the column index number. This is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. So 2. We got 8. This is about two-dimensional. Now let us create a three-dimensional array. np dot array of, this is a three-dimensional array because it is a combination of two-dimensional arrays. Now I'll print element at 0, comma 1, comma 2. Let us see the output. We got 5 because here the 0 indicates this two-dimensional array, and then 1 indicates this list, and the index of this list will be 0. And again in this, the 3 has index 0, and 4 has index 1, and 5 has index 2. So we got 5. Now I want to print this 6. Simply write array of, this list has index 1, so 1 comma, and then this nested list has index 0, so 0, and then 6 has index 2. Yeah, we got 6. This is about indexing.
Now the next topic is slicing. Slicing in Python means taking elements from one given index to another given index. It allows us to extract a portion of an array by specifying the range of indices. Either we can extract some part of the array or the entire array. Syntax of slicing is start is to end is to step. We can write it as array of start is to end is to step, where start is the starting index and end is the ending index. Let us assume that ending index is n. Then it considers the elements up to n minus 1. It ignores the nth element. And step is nothing but the step size between each element in this slice. Let us go to Jupyter Notebook. After seeing some examples, you will understand. First, we need to import NumPy. Import NumPy as NP. I'll create a one-dimensional array. NP dot array of 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. This is a one-dimensional array. Now I'll create a variable slice1. Here I want to extract only this part, that is 20, 30, 40. So starting index starts from here, that is index of 20 is 1. So 1 is 2, and the ending index I need to print up to 40. So I need to write 1 plus 1, that is 40's index is 3. I need to write 3 plus 1, that is 4. And step size I am keeping it as 1. Defaultly step size is 1. I'll print this slice 1. We got 20, 30, 40. There are three important points to remember. That is, if we don't pass start index, then it will consider the start index as 0. And if we don't pass the end index, it will consider the length of array in the dimension. And if we don't pass step, it is considered as 1. Defaultly, the step is 1. Again, I am repeating the points. If we don't consider the start index, it is considered as 0. And if we don't pass the end index, it is considered as the length of the array. And if we don't pass the step, it is considered as 1. Let us see another example. Array 2 is equals to np dot array of 20, 33, 45, 8, 77, 62, 99, 23. This is also a one-dimensional array. Now in slice 2, I want to extract from here to here. That is from 77, 99. I want 77, 62, 99 in my slice 2. So starting index will be This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So starting index will be 4 and this will be 5 and this will be 6. Last element index is 6. So we need to write 6 plus 1, that is 7. And step size is I'm keeping here again 1. Let us run this. Uh, Print slice to. We got 77, 62, 99. Now for this example, I'll give step size as 2. Let us see what it will print. Slice 3 is equals to array of starting index is 0 and I don't want to give the end index, so it will take the array length and the step size is 2. I'll print slice 3. Let us see the output. We got 10, 30, 50. It starts from the first index 10. Step size is 2, so it skips 20 and then it will go to 30. It will print 30 and it skips 40 because the step size is 2 and the last index is and the last element is 50. There is another concept called slicing with negative indices. Negative indices are used to slice from the end of the array. We'll see example on this array. I'll name it as slice 4, array 2 of -3 is to. According to our assumption, this will print the last three elements because the negative inverse starts taking elements from the end of the array. Let us see. I'll print the slice 4. Yeah, we got last three elements 62, 99, 23. If I want the last five elements, then array 2 of -5 will print the slice 5. Yeah, we got the last five elements 8, 77, 62, 99, 23. This is about negative indices slicing. Now let us see another example on two-dimensional array. NP dot array of. Generally, two-dimensional array is a combination of one-dimensional arrays. This is a two-dimensional array. Now I'll name it as slice 6 is equals to. Now I want to extract subarray from row 1 to 2 and column 0 to 2. That is, this is row 0 and this is row 1 and this is row 2. And in the same way, this is column 0 in all the three lists and this is column 1 in all the lists and this is column 2 in all the lists. Now I want array 3 of 1 is to 3, comma 0 is to 2. That is row 1 to 2 that and column 0 to 2. Now I'll print this slice 6. We got 4, 5, 7, 8. Row 1 is to 3 means this is the row 1, this is the row 2. Simply we'll ignore the third row. There is no third row. And this is column that is 4, 5. We'll ignore this part. And 7, 8. We'll ignore 9. So we'll print 4, 5, 7, 8. This is about slicing.